Welcome. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It's free, you're helping the channel out, and since you're here, give a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. Doing a little review on this Hamilton Beach. Got a little brush and a tool itself. Now, you might be thinking, why is a burly, ugly, hairy man like myself want with such a thing as this? Well, it's for that's for the green screen. Tries it on the green screen and it works getting all the wrinkles out. I'm going to stick it on my face. See if it'll work with that. We can't expect miracles, can we? Anywho, that's it. That's what you get in that box. That was at Canadian Tire for $60, I believe. Figured I'd give you a little look-see. Now, I don't know if you remember how bad this was, but seems to be doing a okay job. You got a green screen that you uses, then maybe you could benefit from this little demonstration. You can just push in on these two. There, push in, pull out, flip this up, fill it up, put it back, and just pull the trigger. That's how simple it is. I like this idea. This ball thing here for the cord. I wish that was on all the corded tools I had. Yeah, I like that. I don't think it's too bad. The bottom I don't care about. You know, it's just 3/4. But I think it does a really good job. And it's pretty instant once it's almost empty. But I did all that with just one of them little tiny fill up with water here. So there you go.
You have been watching Heterogeneity Rocks channel. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, slap that notification bell, leave a comment. Thank you and see you on the next one. Remember, variety is king.